Hello everyone, welcome in today's newspaper of Monday, January the 2nd, 2023. Yes, the first day that we receive the newspaper. So all best wishes for 2023. We have here in this newspaper only one regular puzzle, the Medium Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars. This one is interesting. Only 8 printed digits. Yeah, only 8. And one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me and it's time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. But first, let me solve this one. The Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 5723, I believe. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Sudoku Medium has always 26. Well, I've noticed this. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars, and for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 2 stars? We'll see, so let's get started. Let me start with the 1. 1 in this row, the 1 in the 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, okay. Well, I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait. Yeah. How about the number? 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Okay. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the 2nd row. So in the 3rd row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then, let me think. 3. Yeah, 3, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. Yeah, 2 in that row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yeah, let me wait for marking those boxes, because I hate to mark boxes outside the big square. Otherwise, it will be a mess. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there, 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. All right. 7. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 4. All right. 2 missing numbers in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. Well, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. Then 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4. Should be the 6 then. Yeah. How about the number? Need a 5. Need a 3. 3. Yeah. We have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the second column. So no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last row. So no 4 there. 4 should be there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. The 1 could be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Oh, I can count the 4s and all the 4s. No, not used. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. All right. Okay, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. All right. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. Well, we have an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in this box. The 8 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 8 and 1, 8 and 1. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then Let me see. 9. Yeah. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. We have a pair. We have a 7 and an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. We have a 7 and an 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now in the middle column, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Can I count? And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Can I count the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. All right. Then. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 and the 1. Well, we have an 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there, finishing 14 minutes. Wow. 2 stars? No. let me give this a one time faster than 50 minutes, and I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on in the evening or in the afternoon. Late in the afternoon, I will solve the rest of the puzzles. Well, four of those. Yeah, we have 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. 4 of them I will solve. So see you later. Bye bye for now.